place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Rotate the clips to secure it. Repeat the same steps for the front passenger seat. Next, place the second row floor mats. Rotate the clips to secure them as well. Before installing the third row floor mats, you'll need to fold down the second row seats and slide them forward. This will create enough space to fit the third row floor mats. Finally, place the seat back pads and the trunk mat. Lay them flat first, then adjust the edges to fit properly. Then thread the cord from the back of the chair through the holes provided. This way, we can easily pull up the chair's backrest.